Prepare to unravel the profound wisdom of Alan Watts as we explore 20 enlightening facts about our tendency to worry about problems we don't even have, delving into the depths of Taoist wisdom. Supposing you wake up in the morning and it's a lovely morning, is that a problem? For many people it is. It spoils the taste of what's going on now. When we wake up in bed on Monday morning and think of the various hurdles we've got to jump that day, immediately we feel sad and bored and bothered, whereas actually, we're just lying in bed. The Taoist trick says simply live now and there will be no problems. That's the meaning of the Zen saying, when you are hungry, eat, when you are tired, sleep, when you walk, walk, when you sit, sit. In the practice of Buddhism, there is no place for using effort. Sleep when you're tired, move your bowels, eat when you're hungry, that's all. The ignorant will laugh at me, but the wise will understand. When you know that this moment is the Tao and this moment is considered by itself, without past and without future, eternal, neither coming into being nor going out of being, there is nirvana. You now do not become you later. You who sit here are not the same people who came in at the door. We are all a constant flux, and the continuity of the person from past through present to future is as illusory in its own way as the upward movement of the red lines on a revolving barber pole. Suffering exists, but no one who suffers. Deeds exist, but no doers are found. A path there is, but no one who follows it. And nirvana is, but no one who attains it. So long as you're in the present, there aren't any problems. Things just do what they do. A really virtuous person doesn't show his virtue. He looks very ordinary, and so his virtue can't be detected. Entering the forest, he doesn't disturb a blade of grass. Entering the water, he doesn't make a ripple. The course of nature and Da means virtue, but in the sense that we use the word virtue when we say the healing virtue of a plant. Water is very often used by Lao Tzu to give the idea of Tao, because water always takes the line of least resistance. Water is very soft and yet one of the strongest things in the world. You can chop water with a sword but leave no wound. What everybody wants to know then is how to acquire that great naturalness. How do you do it? Wu Wei means to act without strain, to strive or to interfere. So the Taoist manner of life is Wu Wei. Don't force it. Always go with the stream. You may need to use a rudder, but don't ever go against the stream. If you are swimming, and you're caught in a very strong current, you will be lost if you try to swim against it. You must swim with it and edge to the side. That's Da. That's magical power. It all comes about through not using effort, not straining at anything, never strive.